This video is brought to you by Grandeur Warranty, your #1 online source for factory-backed extended warranties in the country.
When most people hear Nissan, they don't typically think like luxury, right? No. But today we are going to try to convince our videographer Alex that this could be considered a luxury SUV.
Yeah, so what are we looking at?
We are looking at the 2025 Nissan Murano Platinum all-wheel drive edition.
Okay, so
Oh, yeah.
Alex, you're kind of a hard guy to impress.
Yeah.
But we're gonna try anyway. There's a lot that this car offers actually, and we're gonna prove it to you that if you're looking for a luxury vehicle, you don't wanna spend all of the dimes that you have in the bank, you might wanna buy this one.
This is champagne silver metallic. What better says luxury like champagne?
Yeah,
right?
Alex, when's the last time you had champagne?
It's been a couple days.
Think about
Just
cheersing.
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 Think about
celebrations.
resolutions.
Look at this cool grille with the LED headlights embedded into it. Look how fancy that is.
It's something. I am not a fan of the split.
What about banana splits? Do you like banana splits?
No.
Damn it, Mary.
I wouldn't say I do.
Okay, but check out these wheels, Alex. We have 21-inch wheels here. These are some big bad boys. What do you think about these?
Yeah, the wheels are cool. I'll give Nissan that. They're a little big and they're a little in your face, but they're cool.
They are pretty big, but something else I notice is they're pretty enclosed, which you'll find typically on a lot of EVs, and I think that's gonna help you with range. Your MPG.
Keep the wind out of the
Keep the wind out of the
spokes.
spokes and keep it moving, you know. How luxurious is that? Check out the back here, and if you forget what you buy, oh baby, it's gonna remind you all the time. Look at that Murano.
That badging.
I do think the back has a little bit of a luxury look
Yeah.
to it. You know, the Infinity is kind of the luxury version
You're
of
right,
Nissan.
absolutely.
And it does look like an Infinity from the rear.
You know, we
so-
got this wrapped around light bar with a really cool design in here. Wraps around to the rear quarter. I think these taillights are pretty groovy.
Also, all-wheel drive, Alex. You know,
Yeah.
all of the wheels drive.
All the wheels drive.
Well, no, I mean close, Mary.
Oh, okay.
Close.
No,
Yeah.
is that not what?
But all-wheel drive is good. Luxurious, in fact.
Not a single rich person has a car that doesn't have all-wheel drive.
At least in Colorado.
That's where we are, good sir.
The interior of this, Alex, how do you feel right now?
It's kind of luxurious. I mean, it smells brand new in here, which is making me feel like it's luxurious. But there's some nice materials, and
Yeah, we got this
It's not bad.
two-tone leather seats with the brown and black, and that is something you don't see too often. Usually it's brown or it's black, but in the Murano Platinum, baby, you get both.
You get both.
You get both.
As Hannah Montana once wisely said, you get the best of both worlds.
Yep, she says that. So I will say we have a lot of really nice touch points here, and even leather-wrapped pads on the dash, sticking with that two-tone black and brown leather. Looks pretty neat, but check this out. I'm gonna start the engine here. Look at this. Look how fancy this is. We got lights coming straight out of the wood. Oop, let's
And-
make that quiet. Oh, but look at that. We have an actual dial for the volume knob. It's got good click action. It's very nice.
this always gets me in a car is the quilted like diamond pattern stitching on the seats. Nice perforations. So that screams luxury to me, and also the two-spoke steering wheel. I think
Oh,
that's
you
a
like
nice
you
touch.
like the two-spoke.
I do. I mean,
Interesting.
yeah, it's just different. You don't see it in a lot of cars, and to me, that's something you usually see in higher-end cars, or at least higher-end classic cars from back in the day. So, yeah,
Usually it's a
I like
triple,
that.
you know, but I wouldn't have pegged you as a two-spoke wheel kind of guy.
No, that thing's cool. I like
Very
the steering
interesting.
wheel.
Okay. So one thing that I am a little iffy about is our gear selector here. Now, I like what they're trying to do. They're trying to make it like futuristic and fancy, but not only is it everything clad with piano black, but I don't know how I feel about the push buttons here.
I hate push button shifters. I hate any shifter that is not this one or this one. If it ain't broke, break it, is what most people seem to be doing with shifters.
Like, this looks good now, but in 20,000 miles,
Yeah.
when, you know, that's seen a couple spills and keys plopping down on it, it's gonna look terrible.
But the insides at least have these little tabs to remove and clean. It's already
Or
actually
you can
kind of
use
dirty.
that putty.
or we can use them. Check out our Christmas gift video to see what we're talking about. Don't buy the Buddy. It's weird. It will get scratched over time.
But you know what? That's what luxury is. It looks like something that can be ruined. It looks high end. This cool, like, kind of synthetic looking wood right here. Alex, touch this for me. Tell me what you think.
Yeah,
it feels
you
like
feel
the grain.
Wood.
You can feel the fake grain in there, made from the finest fake trees.
You said you like fancy interiors, and
I do.
I think that this passes with flying colors, my man.
You know, if you pretend that you don't know that this is a Nissan, if you just cover these badging and look at this interior looks pretty great. Look at this massive screen. It's got padded leather on the dash.
Nice thread.
I like that this is integrated really nicely. Even the hazard button is integrated nicely in here. And look at this, next track. Well, when have you ever seen something integrated into the vents like that? When it comes to luxury, things can certainly be very complex and not to mention expensive. Protect your investment with a factory-backed warranty from Grainger Warranty. Grainger Warranty is the leading online manufacturer-backed extended warranty dealer in the country, covering nearly all makes and models like this Nissan Murano. With Grainger, you can save up to $1,000 on your factory-backed warranty. You can take to any appropriate dealer. They'll fix your car or truck with manufactured original parts installed by manufacturer-trained techs. So go to GraingerWarranty.com or click on that link below. Get yourself some peace of mind with your new car or truck purchase.
The screen I'm a big fan of. I think that makes it feel a little more luxurious than you would think when you know it's a Nissan. I was just in the Frontier too, and both this and the Frontier, really impressive center screens and cluster in front of the driver. So yeah, the tech is good.
The screen is also very soft.
Yeah, Mary keeps saying the screen is soft. And I said, is that compared to hard or gritty? And she refuses to give an answer.
Well,
so
just, listen,
head west.
head west. No, I don't. Hold on.
Well,
Everybody stop.
so now we're going
Listen,
somewhere.
it's just a soft screen. It feels nice. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not, it's, I don't know how to explain it other
Hey,
than
babe,
soft.
I mean what you know. It's fine.
Okay. Alex, I promise it's nice.
We have like a dial on an angle here, which I don't know when I've ever seen a dial on an angle like that. That's pretty nifty. I don't know why they would have done that, but it means it's luxurious if it's different, right?
You're so right.
I know.
How are you feeling?
I like it so far. Yeah. it's
Are
not
you
bad.
feeling like $1 million?
I wouldn't say I'm feeling that great about it. I mean, it's nice to be in. There's still some areas that, you've got some plastics in some areas, like especially in the back seat here, vents and everything. It's a little plasticky, but I do have heated seats in the back, which is a nice, luxurious feature. No ventilated seats in the rear, which would really scream luxury.
No, but if you are in the front seat, if you do buy this car, you do have heated, ventilated, and massaging seats.
Massaging seats.
Now, that is luxurious, is it not?
I didn't expect the massaging seats.
You got
I will say
massaging
that.
seats. That is something that you typically only find in a luxury type vehicle.
How about $500,000? So you feel like $500,000 maybe? Quarter
Maybe
million?
a quarter million.
Quarter
yeah.
million?
Quarter mil? That ain't bad.
All right, not bad.
I could deal with a quarter mil. $51,415.
Not bad.
That's, for something that's knocking on the door of luxury, that ain't bad at all.
This has got both sound system, massaging seats, everything you need to keep you comfortable. It's got all like the safety features you can see on the steering wheel there. So tons of stuff for 51 grand.
Now here's my question, Alex. I feel great in the front seat because the front seat's where everybody wants to be, but how are you feeling in the back seat?
I feel pretty good.
Show
Here,
us,
you wanna show me?
show us what we're working with here.
So here's my leg room, plenty of it, good amount of headroom, and a good view outside. So yeah, the seats are comfortable.
What's the squish factor on the center console there?
It's squishy. It's not
Okay.
the most squishy, but it's good.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
cup holders and it's not bad.
You know,
Little sunshades in the rear.
I like that
Block the sun out.
they extended the dual coloring in the back seats too. We don't just have the nice interior in the front.
Yeah, they even have like the quilted pattern on the back seats, so you're not losing out being in the back. You've got a big sunroof, which is closed right now, but
And you said we got peasant blockers back there?
yeah.
Dang!
Yeah.
Now, if you're not driving a luxurious car, why on earth would you need those?
What is $250,000?
250,000.
Math.
And not even girl math. That's just
Real math. That's just numbers, baby.
So we have a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 241 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque, mated with a 9-speed transmission.
9 transmissions, Alex.
No, babe.
Oh.
Well, close.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay,
But it's got a lot of gears. That means smoother shifting. And so far, it's been a pretty great drive.
Do you feel enthralled? Do you feel like maybe if you were in a NASCAR race, you would have a fighting chance?
I don't think so. I think maybe I'd save some fuel for 9-speed.
Again, you lack imagination, my friend.
We've got a toggle here for different drive modes. So we got Sport, Standard, and Eco. We are in Eco right now, but let's pop this bad boy into Sport and see what you got.
I love sport mode.
Sport mode, is there any other mode to be in? No. Pedal to the metal, a little bit of turbo lag.
Alex, don't you just feel the power? Don't you feel exhilarated?
A little bit of it.
Got some high revs.
It does hang its revs a lot.
It does. It sits. Okay. Well, I mean, look, you're not buying a Ferrari, right? But for an SUV that's knocking on the door of luxury, that's not bad. What do you think? Have we sold you yet, Alex?
Oh, you.
Yeah, I think you're probably not buying this for the engine performance. I think most people buying this car are hauling kids around, and they're buying it for the sound system and the luxury features and to be comfortable. So.
Did you just say luxury features?
Wow.
You think it's luxurious?
Okay.
Okay.
So I don't think the performance matters a whole lot in the grand scheme of things.
I think as long as you can get onto the highway and feel like you're not about to, fall off the highway, you're good. Delight. Look, check this out. Yellow, green, pink, blue.
It's hard to tell.
It's hard to tell, but it's happening. That's also how luxury works.
So get a better idea of it in the screen. We also have a light bar that's going into the center console as well. But in the daytime, you can't really see it. But do you want to discover things?
Safari.
We could, be in a construction zone with yellow or orange, or blue or green.
The ocean, if you will.
Maybe. Or maybe you want to be passionate. Look at these colors. How fancy,
I
magenta.
like the passion colors.
Okay, but wait, we still have harmony.
Don't you love beige? Don't you love varied colors of the
Harmony's
beach?
a little boring.
Pastels, or additional. Look at that.
You get the whole rainbow.
Looks like a pH test strip.
Whatever you want.
So that's pretty luxurious. Do you know where the word luxury comes from?
I don't know.
It comes from Old French, luxurie, or currently le luxe in French, and it means excess, my friend.
That's what that is.
This is a bit excessive.
That
Yeah.
is very excessive.
You don't need it? Does it make you feel good? Yeah.
Do you feel better than everybody with your ambient lighting? Because I sure do.
Yeah, especially with the sunshades and massaging heated ventilated seats.
Do you know what the MPG is?
23 combined.
Doesn't that fill you with delight? Wait. Delightful Easter colors? Do you like seeing the heavens?
Yeah.
Do you like the heavens to look down upon you? Do you like the heavens to physically touch you?
Truthfully, I hate sunroofs, but
Okay, never mind. Close it, Jen. Close it, Jen. Close it, Jen.
This barely even has.
It doesn't even have a sunroof, really. When you think about it, it's not even there.
Yeah.
Jen, just close it.
Okay. Well,
Jen, just
um,
don't look up.
don't look at.
Look at Alex.
What better way for you to get into a type of feeling than your car telling you how to feel with its ambient
This
light?
thing has a built-in mood ring.
Man, remember those days from the
It do.
90s?
Remember, you can never get in the water because it would just turn that kind of milky
Green.
brown.
That was bad.
Ew, milky brown green.
Oh,
That's not one of the
I
options
thought you were
here.
talking about on your finger it would turn green.
You're talking about badly made metal. I'm talking about the color of the mood ring.
Also, most mood rings.
So true. Are you telling me you didn't have 24 karat gold mood rings? What kind of lame-ass childhood did you
Well,
have?
you know, I wasn't living the life of luxury like I am now in this Murano.
If you had a Nissan Murano as a child, you might have experienced a 24-karat mood ring. Like Alex. All right! Anything else? Alex, final thoughts.
Yeah, it's nicer than I thought it was going to be. I've spent a lot of time in Nissans working at this job, so I think if the girls plopped me in here and covered up the badge, I still would have known it's a Nissan. Especially with like the push button transmission, that's all carryover from their other stuff. But no, I think they did a good job. It's feels luxurious in here, and there's some really good features you get for 51 grand.
All right, the true test though, the on-ramp, is a real situation. Oh, it's got some cojones, okay? Very nice Murano. And right there, Murano tells you, you'll never forget.